right, hello, everybody. I'm here to give you a sale alert. I just barely caught up with Verne Creates video from earlier today, this afternoon after working, and I've been on it. I've already been shopping, so now I feel comfortable in telling you to go get some of this stuff because I already got what I wanted, because I had to beat you guys to the punch. So don't think I'm all altruistic and a wonderful person. I am now that I've already indulged in my selfishness. I know that some people are really big fans of the magazines, and maybe others are not. So if that's not your cup of tea, then keep on walking and go to your next video. But I did want to alert because you guys, so a couple of really good sales going on craftstash right now. This being one of them, the box kits for $7, guys. There we go. It's opening up for me now. Yay! The computer is relatively cooperative. I mean, it's been a long day, so you know it's a little slow towards the end of my day. But these kits, guys, are pretty darn tootin' fantabulous, and it's the magazine, and I mean all kinds of goodies. I mean, let's take a look at this one, for example, which is actually one of the ones I did order. And this is Hunky Dory. So there's several Hunky Dories. So if you're a fan of Hunky Dory, head on over there. But you get the magazine, and it comes in a box, so it's a box kit. But this is what comes along with the magazine. So you're getting a die, you're getting stamps, you're getting an embossing folder, you're getting toppers and papers. Oh my. So all of this. So these are some of the cards that can be made, some of the projects. Look how cute that is. I mean, and I'm sure all kinds. See, there we go. I mean, they're just the possibilities are way awesome. So I was not passing this up. This was far, far too cute. So this is one of the ones I did snag. I didn't snag everything because one has to exert some self-control here, although I'm very bad at that. But there are multiples here, so I've already snagged. But I also know that these sales tend to go very, very sell out quickly. I was surprised that more of these hadn't sold out. And like I said, it just depends on what your taste is. But I think I got this one. I ended up getting number 10 as well, and it wasn't a first choice. This one was not a first choice, but I went back and then took a second look at it, and I'm like, oh, never mind. Even though it was, I mean, like here, I'm going to be honest with you, it was like, well, I don't know about that. What got me was this. When I looked at the papers are really stinking cute, and it comes with all of these dies, all of these stamps. That's an embossing folder, and there you've got a stencil for $7. Look, guys, at $7 we couldn't even get the dies. So, needless to say, off I went my merry little way, shopping my little heart out. So here are, there's an example of something that you can make, which is oh my gosh, one of these little pop-up boxes. The word doesn't want to come to me, and there you go, because I'm a dingleberry. But definitely these are really worth it. So I will link you down below in the description box to this sale. And this is just the top row. So I ended up getting like 7 of the magazines. I forget, because I got the John Next Door. I got that one. I picked up the other Hunky Dory. I skipped the shoe one because I'm not into shoes, and it just, different strokes for different folks. I picked up this one, the Lisa Horton, and then I think that, oh, and I picked up this one, this first one as well. So, and that's where I called it quits, because then we got into regularly priced items, and I was interested in the stuff that was on sale. And see, one has already gotten, and I like True Blue, so I missed out on that one. I might, if I'd caught up with Vienna's video earlier, I would have might have snagged this one. So now let me back out, because there's one other thing. They have also a sale 2 for 1 on the PaperCraft. So you buy 2 magazines and get the cheapest for free. So basically it's a BOGO. Okay, a buy one, get one free. So I went in there and I ended up getting 4. So in other words, I got 2 of them for free. So, I mean, so you just have to go through there and figure out which you want to pay for. I mean, well, they'll figure out. You'll be paying for the 2 more expensive ones, and then you'll get the 2 cheapest options for free. But there's a few to pick from. So yes, I picked out. I think I got this. I don't think I got this one. I got this one, the Quilling, the number 210, and I can't remember what the 4th one is. Oh, and this one, number 208, because it's just beautiful. This one, Oh, the paper, I probably should have gotten two, really, on all honesty. Just, it's worth it. I mean, it's the magazine and the paper. But the paper, it looks so pretty that I'm like, alrighty then. So it is just a magazine and then that pad of paper. So it has 66 die cut toppers, 5 foil papers, 10 satin, and 5 papers. I'm like, really? That was my thought. Like, okay, it's worth it to me. So that's what I got. Also, while you're at it, which is not mentioned here. Okay, how come I can't get out of here? Okay, because I'm clicking on the wrong thing. That would help. There we go. And I'll click my way back through this. If you got if you order, I believe, and I'm not sure at what amount, I know that free shipping, once your retail order before discounts hits $80, you get free shipping. My order ended up after the discounts under 80, but I still got the free shipping. So maybe I was close enough. And they're doing a promo and they give you a choice of 1 or 2 magazines. This one is one of them. Number 210 is one of them. The other one is the one with the peacock one that I had seen previously, but I did not get. But it was free. I didn't get it, so I got it. So you might want to go over there before the promo ends. I have no idea how long the promo ends. One other thing, I'm going to go ahead. I do not have, I'm just telling you guys this because out of the goodness of my cold black heart to let you guys know that, hey, this is a sale. You want to take advantage of it. I don't have an affiliate link. However, I am going to link, I'm going to down include Vienna's affiliate link. This is for Vienna creates a lot of I know a lot of you guys follow her page too. So let's help a girl because if I hadn't have been watching her channel, I wouldn't have found out about this. So let's support our other fellow YouTubers, okay? So the affiliate link, it doesn't cost you anything. You know, it just gives her a bit of a, I don't know what the commission is, but she'll get a few pennies or whatever, and I'm all for supporting her. So I'm going to link you there below, but I wanted to let you know about the sale. And I will link you, so I'm going to link you to each of those pages individually, and I'm going to link you to this latest Craft Stash offers, because there's other things. I didn't even want to look at the half price sale. I would have probably, dropped the mint. And again, we're back to self-control. But note, that sale ends tomorrow, okay? So I'm giving it to you on the 30th, or do we have 31 days in June? I forget. I have no clue. No. So this will be ending tomorrow, and then, of course, the create a card, pop-out paddles. I didn't want to look. I know better. I quit while I was ahead. But I wanted to let you guys know about the alert. So go forth, shop till drop. I already got my stuff, so feel free. I'm no longer afraid of you. Okay, guys. So hopefully you appreciate that I put this out there. If you do, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop me a note. That helps for other people to see these videos. The more viewers I got, the more people find out about this sale. But you want to beat them to it, okay? So do that first and then, go do your thing. And if you want to see more of my madness, because I haven't, I have it coming out in spades. This week has not been a good week for me to get done, and I apologize for that, but I'm still flipping dealing with COVID fatigue. So I have most days I'm wiped after 8 hours of work. So I am so very sorry for that. But anyway, you don't want to hear that. But what I am telling you is, if you want to see more of my madness, there'll be some sort of madness all the time. Then go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell, and I will bring you more sale alerts. I have another one that I want to kick out tomorrow, so I will get that up, and you'll be seeing it hopefully either tomorrow or no later than Saturday. I do have, Steve has alerted me that my last Craft Stash order has come in. So he's bringing that to me tomorrow. Yay! He was supposed to come tonight, but he forgot he had a cardiologist appointment by where we live. So there's no point in him coming all the way out here and then going home and then coming back out, and not at $6.35 a gallon of gas that we're paying here in California. So I will be reviewing that, and I'll share it you guys over the weekend. Okay. Otherwise, thanks a lot. Go shop. Have a great evening. Go craft. Do it for me. All right. And I will talk to you later. And you guys all know the drill here. We're all a little mad here, including this fast talking mad scrapper. So come, let's craft the madness together. Okay. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.